Hey everyone, Jayster with Volcano Jackhammer by Lego City. Set number 30350 contains 53 pieces. Recommended building ages are 5 through 12. So it appears that we have a worker jackhammering a volcano. So he's trying to get that crystal. Nice colorful poly bag. Let's open it up. This poly bag's a bit difficult to open up. A lot of parts that are packed loose, so we have to be extra careful opening up the package. One small folded instruction manual is provided. Nice selection of parts. Let's take a closer look at the Volcano Jackhammer. The Volcano Jackhammer is a fun, quick set to assemble. Off to the right, we have a minifigure. His torso and pants are printed. He is wearing a hard hat with a visor and a respirator. On the left, we have part of a volcano with a blue gem. Really nice. I like the blue gem. That's a cool part. And finally, we have the jackhammer. The top of the hammer does rotate. The arm does raise and lower. On the back, we have a scraper. I'm not sure what this is called, honestly. It looks like it can seat our minifigure, so let's set him on top. He does reach the controls. Really nice. Now he can hammer away to free the crystal or gem. Here's a quick look at the spare pieces. We have an extra hammer attachment, a slope, a few Technic pins, an extra visor, and other various bricks which may come in handy for other Lego creations. This concludes the review for Volcano Jackhammer by Lego City, set number 30350. Despite of its size, this is one nice set. It comes with the minifigure, accessories, and the jackhammer. This will be perfect for any Lego City or as a source for spare parts. Thank you for watching.